There's a frequent challenge that many educators, trainers, and coaches face: creating certificates confirming that participants have completed a course, attained a certain level of competence, or earned a qualification. Many people currently use PowerPoint to create such certificates. That's easy when you have only a handful of participants, but what do you do when the number grows to dozens or even hundreds? That's where PPTX comes to the rescue. With just PowerPoint and an Excel spreadsheet, you can generate hundreds of personalized certificates in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. First, we need to prepare the participant's data file. We will use Excel for this. Take a look at the sample file shown on the screen. Notice that the first row contains the names of the columns. We will use them later while designing our certificate as a PowerPoint template. Now let's prepare our certificate. If you already have a ready-made certificate design, you can absolutely use it. That's the beauty of PPTX. It lets you reuse as much of your existing material as possible. To design our certificate, we'll insert data placeholders for the certificate participants using the information we gathered in our Excel file. For this example, we'll use only plain text boxes, no images, QR codes, tables, charts, or other advanced PowerPoint elements. You can place all of your data placeholders in a single text box or create separate text boxes for each piece of information. We recommend using separate text boxes, as they make it easier to fine-tune the layout later if needed. For example, you may encounter especially long names or other values that don't fit your design well and require some adjustment. Notice that placeholder names are enclosed in double curly braces. It's also important to match the capitalization exactly. Placeholder names must be identical to the column names in your Excel file, otherwise the merge process won't be able to replace them with data. With the data file and certificate template ready, we now need to head over to PPTX to complete the merging process and generation of certificates. To use our service, you need to register and log in first. There's a free tier for you to experiment. After logging in, choose the PowerPoint Certificate Generator tool from menu. The form is pretty straightforward. Just upload the Excel data file, next the PowerPoint template, if you want to test out the service use provided samples. One thing you need to decide is what will be the output, a single file containing all certificates or a certificate per person. For our example, we'll use the latter option. This also allows us to personalize the file names for each resulting certificate. But be careful with the names as they must be unique. Otherwise, you will end up with a single file for a given person. After submitting the form, we wait for the service to do its thing. After a few seconds, our download should be ready. What we will get is a zip file containing individual certificates. Let's look inside the created files and check if everything went okay. And that's it. We have successfully created certificates for a list of participants. Now go create 100 or more of them in a single click.